Good to get a reminder. Luckily, we're out of the woods on most of that kind of stuff for a little bit. A warm-up, says KQ2's Ryan Rose.
That's exactly right, Alan. In fact, today we did make it into the 20s. 25 our high, low of 0, 37 the normal high, 17 the normal low, 65 the record high set back in 1996, and record low 16 below 0 set back in 1930. So we take a look at our temperatures across the area, and once again we did make it into the 20s, a little bit of an improvement across the area. 23 right now in St. Joseph, as well as Cameron, Maysville, Hiawatha coming in at 25, 27 in Falls City. Winds relatively light, generally out of the south, and even with just a little bit of wind, we do have that wind chill, making it feel like it's 13 outside in St. Joseph, so still pretty cold. You do want to make sure to bundle up if you are stepping outside. 12 the feel-like temperature in Mound City, as well as Rockport. So we look at our radar and really nothing going on. In fact, hardly a cloud in sight. High pressure is dominating our entire region. In fact, all the way across the Midwest, dry conditions, sunny skies. We're going to be watching a system just in the Pacific Northwest that will be bringing some moisture as we get into this weekend. But we have until then to enjoy some dry weather. Let's take everything hour by hour. Again, a lot of sunshine for today, clear skies tonight, plenty of sunshine for tomorrow, and even as we head into Friday, a lot of sunshine, maybe a few clouds rolling by, particularly on Friday, but that's really about it. And we're calling Saturday partly cloudy. First half of the weekend also looks good. We're not going to be expecting any moisture until we get into our Sunday. So speaking of that, we do have some rain on the way. As we take a look at this model, as we get into Sunday, we're going to be looking at rain developing, snow off to our west. Now, as we get into our Monday, particularly overnight Sunday into Monday morning, some of this rain could mix in with a little bit of snow as our temperatures will begin to drop again. We're not going to be brutally cold. We'll actually be right around where we should be this time of year, but this is something that we're going to be watching over the next few days with our next system. So here's a look at our precipitation chances. As we get into Friday and Saturday, nothing. And then again, Sunday, about a 60% chance. And we do have a 30% chance on our Monday to see a little bit of rain and snow activity. So temperatures will be dropping back into the 30s and low 40s for next week. So as we head towards tonight, still a bit of an improvement. We're going to be above 0, 12 degrees, our overnight low temperature. Many spots in the teens as we take things overnight. And then tomorrow for our highs, we're talking about the upper 30s, 39 degrees in St. Joseph, 33 in Mound City, right around the freezing mark in Maryville for tomorrow. And then check out what happens on Friday. Now, some spots may still be stuck in the 40s. I think in St. Joseph, we'll make it into the low 50s. 51 is what I'm expecting for Friday, and we're going to stay right around there for a couple of days before we begin to spike as we get into Sunday. But tonight, again, down to 12 degrees, clear skies, still pretty cold. You'll still want to bundle up if you're stepping outside. Tomorrow, again, 39, lots of sunshine, and we're going up in our temperatures. Let's take a look at that 7-day forecast, and once again, we're on this warm-up, 51 on Friday. We're talking about the mid-50s as we get into our Sunday. Very warm, but we'll be looking at that chance for rain. And then a little bit of a rain-snow mix possible on Monday, but pretty seasonal. We're not going to be seeing those brutally cold temperatures. And then we'll be drying out as we head towards Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. Alan?
All right, thanks, Ryan. Here